Do you know that about 42 million people in India suffer from thyroid diseases? Thyroid diseases are common worldwide, in India too. There is a significant burden of thyroid diseases. Hello everybody, my name is Sundar Sonone and welcome back to our channel Pharmacist Sundar. Today we are discussing about the thyroid diseases. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland located in front of neck, just below the Adam's apple. It plays a crucial role in regulating various bodily functions by producing hormones that control metabolism, energy level, and the overall balance of the body system. Hormone production. The thyroid gland produces two main hormones. First one is thyroxine T4, the primary hormone produced by the thyroid, which is later converted into more active form triiodothyronine T3 in various body tissue. Triiodothyronine T3, a hormone that influences almost every physiological process in the body, including growth, development, metabolism, body temperature, and heart rate. Let's discuss about common thyroid disorders. First one is hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland produces too little thyroid hormone. Symptoms: fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, depression, dry skin, constipation, and slow heart rate. Causes: Hashimoto's thyroiditis and autoimmune disorder, iodine deficiency, thyroid surgery, radiation therapy. Treatment: thyroid hormone replacement therapy, usually levothyroxine. Second one is hyperthyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland produces too much thyroid hormones. Symptoms: weight loss, rapid heartbeat, increased appetite, sweating, anxiety, tremors, and heat intolerance. Causes: Graves' diseases and autoimmune disorder, thyroid nodules, thyroiditis. Treatment: anti-thyroid medications, radioactive iodine therapy, surgery, that is thyroidectomy. Third one is goiter and enlargement of the thyroid gland. Causes: iodine deficiency, Hashimoto's disease, Graves' disease, thyroid nodules. Treatment depend on the cause, can include iodine supplements, medication, or surgery. Fourth one is thyroid nodules, lumps or abnormal growth in the thyroid gland. Types can be benign, non-cancerous, or malignant cancerous. Second one is symptoms. Often a systematic larger nodules may cause difficulty swallowing or breathing. Treatment: monitoring, biopsy, surgery if cancerous or causing symptoms. Fifth is thyroid cancer. Types: papillary, follicular, medullary, and anaplastic. Symptoms: lump in the neck, difficulty swallowing, hoarseness, swollen lymph node. Treatment: surgery, radioactive iodine, hormone therapy, radiation, chemo. Diagnosis: thyroid disorder are usually diagnosed through first one is blood test to measure level of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone T4 and T3, radioactive iodine uptake test to assess thyroid function, biopsy to determine if a thyroid nodule is benign or malignant. Precautions to be taken. First one is regular monitoring. Individuals with thyroid disorder often require regular blood tests to monitor hormone level and adjust treatment. Second one is medication adherence. It is important to take thyroid medication as prescribed without skipping doses. Third one is dietary consideration. Ensure adequate iodine intake but not excessive, particularly in area where iodine deficiency is common. Treatment option: hypothyroidism, typically treated with the synthetic thyroid hormones levothyroxine. Second one is hyperthyroidism, may be treated with thyroid drugs, radioactive iodine, or surgery. Third one is thyroid cancer. Treatment often involves surgery, radioactive iodine, and other therapies depending on the type and stage of cancer. If you suspect a thyroid problem, consult a healthcare provider for appropriate testing and treatment.